The Newhouse School in Syracuse University has a long history of excellence when it comes to journalism and communications, dating back decades, and this wall allows us to marry both the history of the school as well as the future opportunities for our students. As students crisscross through the building, they can look up at the wall and see all of those opportunities before them. So I think it reaffirms their choice in coming to the Newhouse School, and for our prospective students, really shows them what they can do once they get here and then after they graduate. So it's a constant reinforcement of why they made the decision that they did.
The decision to install the video wall at the Newhouse School was a multi-factor decision. A lot of it was driven by Dean Mark Lodato's vision to change the flow of how we tell our story to align better with the university's visions. And part of that is, what is your first impression as you arrive to the school? The wall was designed to help tell a story. And as such, it showcases what a student could do, options they have available, and also showcases students that are here, what they've accomplished while they have been at the school, to give that student perspective of, how am I part of this story? How can I fit in?
Part of the history of every university is its architectural design, and Syracuse University is no exception. Here at Newhouse, we have buildings designed by I.M. Pei. I.M. Pei, the architect of the Louvre in Paris and museums around the world. That's something pretty special that Syracuse has. We wanted to make sure that that history, that rich experience created by an architect like I.M. Pei was augmented by our display technology. We designed the wall as a wonderful square or rectangle that could beautifully enhance a viewer's experience. What we found at Syracuse University is they would break it up and integrate it into the architectural style of I.M. Pei to join in his architectural design and augment it for an increased student experience.
Samsung was above and beyond all of the options on the market to provide a solution, as well as the only one that actually had the opportunity to get creative with their product. Most products, it has to be one solid wall, you can't really change it because the way it's built. Samsung, we were able to break the rules in that we could do vertical pillars and make it work as one seamless wall.
I love it. I love walking by the wall. It really is reinforcing for myself of why we are here and why we do the work that we do. But more importantly, the students really gravitate towards the students' stories. They see themselves in those stories. They realize this is something I can achieve, or this is a career I can aspire to. And that's really reaffirming for them in why they came to the Newhouse School in Syracuse University in the first place.